Hello and welcome to another demo from your friends here at ASPE and Professional Data Management. In this video, we're going to install Jenkins. Now, in order to install Jenkins, you will need to have already downloaded the Java Development Kit, otherwise known as the JDK. If you have not done this yet, you can refer to our video on how to install the JDK. Links are in the description. So, that being said, let's go ahead and get started. First, let's navigate to the Jenkins download page. Links are in the description. On the downloads page, scroll down to find your operating system. We're using Windows, so we'll go ahead and click that option. Open the download folder. Double-click on Jenkins. Mine is opening on a screen that you can't see, so let me drag it down here. And we will go ahead and launch the setup wizard. We're going to accept the default settings that are presented and click the install button. Once the installation completes, click finish. A message will pop up to let you know that Jenkins is almost ready. Once it's ready, the Getting Started dialog will pop up. Follow the path that is provided for you by going to your C drive, Program Files x86, Jenkins, and Secrets. In the Secrets folder, right-click on Initial Admin Password, and we're going to open it up with a notepad. Copy the text that is provided for you. We'll go ahead and get rid of these for now and paste the text into the administrative password. If you have specific plugins that you want to install, click Select Plugins to install. We don't need that, so we will install the suggested plugins that are provided. Once the plugins have been added, the Getting Started dialog will appear. So fill out the information as you see fit, click Save and Finish. And voila! Look at that! Jenkins is ready. So to go to your account, click Start Using Jenkins, and there you go. Welcome to Jenkins. Your installation was successful. So there you go. That concludes our demo for the Jenkins installation. We have much more to come. Links are in the description for additional videos regarding Agile and DevOps. So we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.